In the rapidly expanding industrial landscape of Bangalore, prefabricated warehouses have emerged as a game-changing solution for businesses seeking efficient, cost-effective storage solutions. Among the top prefabricated warehouse manufacturers in the city, SCON Design India PVT Ltd stands out as a beacon of innovation and quality. Prefabricated warehouses offer numerous advantages over traditional construction methods, including faster installation, reduced on-site labor, and enhanced flexibility. SCON Design has capitalized on these benefits, delivering state-of-the-art prefabricated warehouses that meet the diverse needs of Bangalore's burgeoning industrial sector. Their warehouses are engineered to withstand the region's unique climate conditions while providing optimal storage environments for a wide range of goods. What sets SCON Design apart is their commitment to cutting-edge technology and sustainable practices. Their prefabricated warehouses incorporate energy-efficient designs, utilizing advanced